The objective of this lesson is to demystify conditional formatting, and I'm going to teach you a cool trick to represent your data visually as soon as you get it. And this trick is useful when you have sales dashboards or progress dashboards or project dashboards. So let's see, let me show you. So I'm going to select quantity here in this data set. I'll go under home, conditional formatting, and I click on icon set. Under icon sets, you have a lot of options. As you can see, I can introduce so many icons. I'm going to select this one for now. And as you can see, for high quantities, it will be in green, low quantities in red, and then orange for or yellow for middle quantities. Now, if you don't like it, you can do the following. You go to conditional formatting, and by the way, clear rules will be used when you want to clear the rules for a column, but make sure you always select the column, and then you can do whatever you want with conditional formatting. So let's go back. We select our column, we do manage rules, and then we double click on the rule, we go here. In here, I can change my icons again if I want to. And then even for each icon, I can change it. So for example, if you didn't like the green here, you want a red, you could use the red here or a combination of icons. Now this is one part. The other part is how the colors will appear or how the icons will be chosen. So here what it means automatically by default is 33%, the top 33% of our values will be in green because this is more than 67%. Then the bottom 33% will be in red, and then the middle will be in orange. So if you want, you can change this. For example, you can say, I want in red only 10% of the data, and you say, okay. Then you say, okay. As you can see, there is much less data that is now in red. This is one way to change it. Another way to change it is to go here, and then under rules, you can change this percent to number. So for example, I want everything above, let's say 85 to be in green, and then everything below 30 to be in red. And then you say okay, and as you can see, the colors will change. Another way to do things is to have hard-coded values here. So for example, this 30 is here, this 85 is here, and then you just select your range, and then you go to conditional formatting, manage rules, double click here, and instead of having the values here, you can say, okay, this is my value, this is my second value, and then you say, okay. This way, if you change your value, for example, this 30 becomes 50, as you can see, the colors and the icons will update automatically.